In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get a free Krunker.io mod menu in 2023. So let's get straight into the video. Just a quick note before we get into the video, if you guys are looking for quality cheats, please check out Radiant Cheats. They offer cheats in so many different categories and they have the best prices on those cheats. They also have credit card and PayPal payments and the fastest delivery that you can think of. If you want to check them out, the link will be down below, where if you use that link, you'll get 10% off your purchase. Now let's get straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is just open the link that will be in the description. This link will bring you to mega.nz, and all you want to do from here is click the download button. Now once you download it, you can minimize the tab and drag it onto your desktop, and then what you want to do from here is double click the file and drag the extension onto your desktop as well, and then you can close that. So when you make a new tab on Google, you want to go to the three dots over here, go over to more tools, and go over to extensions. So make sure you have developer mode enabled, and you want to drag extension over here and drop it in, and it should say Krunker Central. Then what you can do is close that and go over to Krunker. Now if it says this sheet requires you to obtain a license, you'll press OK. We'll bring you to this website under keygen and press click to get key, inject key into extension, and now as you can see, you've got the Krunker cheats at the bottom left, so you can press the left click. Now we'll open up a advertisement, but you can just close that, and now you've got all your settings right here. So as you can see, you've got fully working aimbot, visuals, and more, and you can also customize these settings to your liking. So you can do a skin hack, but for the skin hack to work, you need to be logged into your account and move on. This sheet fully works, and there's so many cool things you can do with it, with the settings, and mess around. So if you enjoyed today's video, guys, feel free to let me know if you want more like this, and I'll see you later. Peace out.